Hello children, today we will learn phonic sound of letter S and T. So children, let's begin. This is letter S. S is for sun. Sun. S is for star. Star. S is for snail. Snail. S is for spoon. Spoon. S is for soap. Soap. Yes, sound of letter S is s. Yes. Now here is short story for letter S sound. It is sunny morning. Sunny. Sarah wants to make sand castle. Suddenly, a spotted snake crawled out of the sand and started hissing loudly. This sound like s. Yes, the sound of S is s. Yes. Now you also repeat s. This is sound of letter yes. Yes, the sound of S is s. Now next letter is T. This is letter T. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tomato. Tomato. T is for tub. Tub. T is for teapot. Teapot. T is for teddy bear. Teddy bear. Yes, phonic sound of letter T is t. Now here is short story of letter T sound. Tim and Tom were watching tennis match on television. When the match began, the two players hit the ball to each other. This sounds like t. Yes, the sound of T is t. Yes, the sound of T is t. So kids, in this way you can practice sound of letter S and T at your home. Bye bye children.